Hey guys, I'm back with another video. My name is Manoj Bashal, and today in this video I'm gonna talk about how we made $237,000 in the month of November for one of our e-commerce clients. I'm gonna share all of our secret strategies so you can copy and paste it into your e-commerce business. So take a notepad and stick till the end. Before we get into our secret sauce, let's take a look at the results. Yep, that's right, $237,000 in just 1 month. Now let's break down how we achieved this success. The first key to our success was our Facebook advertising strategy. We planned and executed our campaigns to reach right audience at right time with our irresistible offers. From creating compelling creatives and optimizing the right target audience, every little details mattered. Now let's talk about creatives. Our ad creatives were designed to grab attention and evoke emotions. We tested various formats, single image, carousels, videos, until we found the winning combination that resonated with our audience. Another strategy was targeting. Targeting the right audience is crucial. We spent a lot of our time in finding the interest, purchasing behavior of our target audience, what they're interested in, and like everything. And we refined our targeting parameters to make sure our ad reached the right audience, or the people who are more likely to be interested in our products. We tested different audience based on the funnel stages. In top of funnel campaigns, we targeted different interest-based audience by stacking multiple interests in the single ad set. And we also tested open targeting, lookalikes of the custom audiences to figure out how to work the best for the particular brand. In middle of funnel campaigns, we targeted people who engaged in our post or ad in the last 90 days on both Instagram and Facebook. And in bottom of funnel campaigns, we targeted audiences like website visitors, page views, view content, okay, who have added the product to the cart, who have done the checkout, or who have purchased in the last 90 days. We tested different retention as well to figure out what retention audience would perform better for the particular brand. And after testing multiple audience targeting, we figure out some winners, and we heavily combined those winners and created like a new CBO campaigns and scaled the campaign heavily. This helped a lot to bring in the good results. Another strategy was budgeting. Budgeting was strategic. We started with small budget like around $20 per ad set in the testing phase, and we analyzed the metrics after 7 to 10 days and found a couple of winning elements, and we heavily scaled those winning elements as well. This allows us to maximize the return on ad spend, and we were also actively killing the underperforming ads. It's crucial to spend the ad budget wisely as well, because you don't want to waste your hard-earned money on something that doesn't work. Just knowing when to kill the ads and when to scale the ads will give you the profitable results. Now let's talk about our second channel of success, that is email marketing. This played a crucial role in nurturing the audience, building relationships, and driving conversions. And the best part, we don't have to spend thousands of dollars in email marketing. The return is incredible. When you spend $1, you get $42 back on average via email marketing, so you don't want to miss out on this. The first thing we were focusing in terms of email marketing was list building. We started collecting email lists of potential customers by providing different incentives, offers. We were also creating some hype, for the upcoming offers through pop-up sign-up form, and people were interested what we had to offer, and we collected a lot of email lists over the time. We created different kind of offers in the BFCM as well, and people were eager to buy from us, like they were just waiting for our offers. This helped a lot to generate high quality leads who were interested in what we had to offer. Another thing we focused on is segmentation and personalization. We didn't send the generic emails to everyone. Instead, we segmented lists of people based on the behaviors, their interests, and preferences, which allowed us to deliver the personalized and relevant content and offers to the segmented audience. This helped a lot to increase the conversion as well. Another thing we were focusing on in terms of email marketing was conversion-focused campaigns. Most of our email campaigns were designed with conversion in mind, whether it was limited time offers, exclusive discounts, buy one get one free, free shipping, certain percentages off. Each email had a purpose to drive sales. We also had some no-brainer offer like 30 days money back guarantee. Okay, if customers doesn't like the product or they didn't get what they expected, then they'll have an opportunity to to return the product and get a full refund as well. Also, we are implementing this offer of free shipping on all orders above $100. This helped a lot to increase the average order value as well, and we see the increment in conversion too. And there you have it, how we turned our November into $237,000 success story with the powerful combination of Facebook ads and email marketing. Always keep this thing in mind: the success in e-commerce requires time, testing, and continuous optimization. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you have got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I will reply to every single comment, and until next time, happy marketing, and I will see you in the next video.